From the world's first tea culture UNESCO heritage site,
the old tea forests of Jingmai Mountain in Pu'er, China. Pu'er is an iconic tea city in Yunnan province, known for its time-honored tea variety, Pu'er tea. Today, I'm wearing a traditional costume of a local ethnic group and also trying to be a qualified local person, immersing myself in the culture by acquiring a crucial skill, the making of Pu'er tea. Oh, here we are. Find my master today. Okay, my master is coming.
刚从山上采一包回来。
哦，这是今天早上新采的，哇！
你看露珠都还在呢。
哇，好新鲜啊！所以我们今天就要来制作它。
对，我们今天要体验一个工艺是杀青。
15岁吧，15岁。She started making the tea since 15 years old.
Now the pot has reached the highest temperature. It's over 270 degrees Celsius.
This technique has been passed on for thousands of years. Today, machines have emerged to replace manual labor, but the locals still retain the old handmade method. I feel this is a way both for preserving tradition and for nurturing an intimate link that people maintain with the tea. That's pretty much it for my Jingmai Day. Stay tuned for more.